Hi, I am Yuvraj. I am a Java programmer working in Spiro group of companies. I am going to explain about this project Cloud Computing, Stealthy Daniel Service Strategy in Cloud Computing. In this paper, we are going to solve the Daniel Service attacks. First of all, Daniel Service means it is one type of attack occurred in the cloud computing. It will generate the stop the process inside the cloud computing. Once it occurs the denial of service, it will be stop the overall process of the cloud computing. So how to solve this type of problems? In this project we are going to solve this denial of service attacks. In existing system we can't detect the denial of service attacks and we can't solve the denial of service attacks. In proposed system we can detect the low rates attacks and denial of service attacks, and we can find and we can remove it in the proposed concept. In the existing we are using DDoS detection technique. In proposed we are going to use slowly increasing polymorphic DDoS attack strategy. In existing there are some drawbacks, something like we can't detect the low rate attacks, and in proposed we can detect the low rate attacks and prevent the DOS attacks, and we can find the attackers and we can solve the attacks in this proposed system. We are using this project in some applications like Rackspace Cloud Deployment Services, SoftLayer Cloud Services, and Microsoft Azure. To execute this project, we want some system requirements. Something like hardware requirements are Pentium dual core processor and 512 MB DDRAM, 15-inch color monitor, and 40 GB hard disk. For software requirements, front end we need Java, and back end we are using MySQL, and operating system Windows 7 or 8, something like it. IDE we can use NetBeans or Eclipse, anything. In future enhancement, we are extending this approach to a large set of applications level vulnerabilities and defining a sophisticated method able to detect SIP DAS based attacks in the cloud computing environment. To extend this application, we are going to use future algorithms like managed DDoS detection algorithm. By using this algorithm, we can detect the attacks and remove the attacks by easy. Enrichment is this attack button, instead of aiming at making the service unavailable, it aims at exploiting the cloud flexibility, forcing the services to scale up and consume more resources than needed, affecting the cloud customer more on financial aspects than service availability. In extravagance, extending the approach a large set of application level vulnerabilities, defining a sophisticated method able to detect SIP DAS based attacks in the cloud computing environment. This is our project. Thank you.